Watch me write an ebook right now using my smartphone in less than 24 hours using artificial intelligence. Let's go. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an ebook using two simple and very free tools. The very first one is ChatGPT. These tools work on any kind of smartphone and they are very easy to use. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can help you create content and do lots of other things. So all you have to do is go to your browser and type chat.openai.com and it takes you straight up to ChatGPT. It looks something like this. You'll be asked to log in or sign up if you've never used ChatGPT before. I have used it before, so I'm going to click on login. And then when you click on login, they can ask you to put in your email address, or you can choose to log in with Google or Apple or Microsoft account. I chose to log in with my Google or my Gmail account. And this is what ChatGPT looks like. This is GPT 3.5, the free version. Now, if you want to ask a question, all you have to do is type message ChatGPT. So I'm going to ask it or tell it what I want. So I'll tell ChatGPT that I want to write an ebook on relationships for young people, and I'll ask ChatGPT first of all to come up with the chapters of the book. If you can't see this prompt, I'm going to type it out and put it in the description. So ChatGPT is going to come up with all the content, all the chapters of the book, and then we're going to see what it looks like. This is absolutely going to blow your mind. So a lot of people always ask me, oh, I'm not a great writer. I don't know how to create content. How am I going to go about monetizing my knowledge? How am I going to go about writing ebooks, creating courses? The answer is that technology has made everything easy and everything possible. AI is not going to take your job from you, but somebody who knows how to use AI will take your job away from you. So the best bet that you have right now is to learn how to use simple technological tools. Learn how to use these things to your advantage. This is just one AI tool that can help you create content, help you write your ebooks, and even help you create your courses. Of course, I'll be showing this to people in the academy. So look at how ChatGPT has come up with different chapters for my book. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 5. I told you that I wanted 5 chapters because it's just an ebook that I want to sell for highest 2,000 naira, and I don't want it to be too bulky, right? So look at, I now said, now that you've given me these chapters, I don't want to be the one to bring out the content. I want you, ChatGPT, to give me the full content for each of the chapters because I don't want to do any of the work. I'm a baby girl and I want to rest. Yes. So I said, write out the full content for each chapter. So I said, make it very clear, make it detailed. See, the key to getting the best out of AI is to know how to prompt, know how to write the correct prompts. This is what people call prompt engineering. If you don't know how to write the correct prompts, you will get anyhow kind of content, which is why 100 people will be writing the same content on social media and it just sounds like jargon. People are tired. But I would use ChatGPT or any other AI tool to write that same thing and still get something good that people want to read because I know how to ask properly, right? So this is it, breaking down chapter 1 for me. This is the full content. It even told me the kind of illustration I can add, so I can go on any AI tool that helps me convert text to image and search for a picture of Amina and Tunde celebrating their shared values and attach it to my ebook. Do you understand? And I said continue because it has not finished. It needs to give me all the full gist. This my book has to be loaded. You get it? So it's kept writing and writing for me. So I'm just going to go through all of this. Now the key thing is that you need to also edit whatever you get from AI, right? So that it doesn't sound too robotic. And also, you copy everything, you go, you look out for it, you change some words, make it sound, more relatable and more human like. So this is me copying everything out because I want to take it straight up to go and create my ebook on another tool called Canva. Canva is another tool that helps you to create beautiful designs and PDFs. So I'm going to create my ebook on Canva, and this is me copying everything out, and then I'm going to take it to Canva to create. If you love this, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed. There is so much more coming for you on this channel. Once you get to Canva, all you have to do is click on templates and then search for ebook, because what you want to create is ebook, and you're going to see lots of amazing templates for ebooks in the Canva application. Look at some nice ebook templates. You don't need to do anything. This is why tech is so sweet. Everything has been done for you. All you need to do is just plug and play, edit this, edit that, and you can create your own book without stress. Which is why I wonder why some people are using their phones just to laugh on TikTok. You don't know that you can use your phone to start a profitable business for yourself using tools that are free. ChatGPT is free, Canva is free. What else are you waiting for? So this is the template that I chose. You can choose any other template that you like. I'm going to just change the name to the name of my ebook. I'm going to name my book The Perfect Relationship. I'm going to put this as the title. And I'm also going to change the subtitle and also change my name. At this point, if you're loving this video, drop a comment and say ebook. Drop a comment and write ebook, ebook, ebook in the comment. Let me see your ebook in the comment. So this is me just trying to change the size, rearrange it, change the alignment. I can change anything I want on this page. If I don't like the black color, I can change the black. I can change the red. I can change that bulb that is there. I can remove it. But for the sake of this video that is not very long, I'm just going to change the text so that you can see how possible it is, and then we'll save this as our ebook that is about to be ready. So if you've not joined the Information Product Academy, this is the right time to check the description, click on the link that is right there and join the academy. I'll be showing you how you can convert what you know into digital products like ebooks and online courses and make profits from them every single day for the rest of your life. What does it sound like to receive daily credit alerts that will blow your mind? My God, this is so amazing. So make sure you join the academy right now so that you can learn for yourself the secrets of information marketing. So I'm still editing this book and I want it to look beautiful. The next thing, I'm going to swipe and go to the content of the book. This is the next page. It is black, but I want to change it to white. So I'm just going to tap on it and change the color from black to white. You can see that place that is color there. I'll change it and I'll select white or ash. I think ash would be better. So once you're using white as the background, you just know that your text cannot be white. So it to be legible and readable, your text now has to be black or any other color. So I'm going to click on insert and I'll insert a text. I'll choose the body text because what I'm writing is the content. And then I will select that and paste everything I copied from ChatGPT into this. Look at this. Chapter 1, Foundations of a Strong Relationship. Introduction. Building a strong relationship, blah, 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 blah. So I'm just going to do some editings. I'm going to edit the content. I'm going to rearrange it. I'm going to give space so that people can easily read and understand what they are reading. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing? So I just copied everything I got from ChatGPT, and this is the same way you're going to create. Ask ChatGPT to create chapter 2 for you, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. If you need more chapters, if you need conclusion, if you need the closing, it will do every single thing for you. All right, so I'm going to go back to ChatGPT now and copy the remaining parts of that chapter 1. I'm copying everything right away and I'll go back to my Canva app to continue creating my ebook that I was creating. So I'm back to Canva and I'll just swipe to page 2 and do the same thing I did before. Add text, paste everything that I copied from ChatGPT right here. So I'm going to arrange it, push it up, give spaces, remove that illustration that was written there. It's actually supposed to be a picture that I can get if I want to, and I'll add it to my ebook, and my ebook is good and ready to go. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on any arrow, the arrow that is either down at the top or the arrow that goes up, either of them, and then save my ebook as a document. Once I do that, my ebook is saved and it's ready for me to distribute or upload anywhere I want to upload. This is it being prepared. So that's it, guys. I just created an ebook right now with my smartphone without spending a dime on publishing. You too can do this with your own smartphone and create ebooks and online courses out of your knowledge that sell like crazy. I'm going to be showing you in the Information Product Academy how you can convert your knowledge, your skills, your passion, your experiences, and your education into highly profitable digital products. Join the academy right now and take advantage of this early bird discount offer to pay half the price and save 50% on registration fee. All you have to do right now is click on the link you're going to see in the description and join us in the academy. Do not miss out on this opportunity. I'll see you in class. Bye.